Hungover's gonna kill me slowly, and I can't remember any clue about what I fucking did. I did. Every night kiss the lips of the sweet whiskey made, and the shitless as far as sanity. Now you're rich, now the point of no return. You're done kid with knowledge but takes the world. I'd rather turn you down with a little fingers crossed. Don't stand up on the dryer, it's take going nuts. You never know now, you're afraid another show. I fucking hate you when it's time to close. Tripping fast, let's go to another show. From morning scolding, now so angry. We're lost in the country roads, breaking our